Alright, this is the first video walkthrough for the 2002 Chevy Tahoe that I bought for $4,700, whatever. You know, I bought the shittiest Tahoe, well, of this particular body style. Already took the front panels off because I'm gonna put the other ones on. Everything's stock. Oh, I'm sorry, today's date is May 19, 2010. I should have this done by July. Yes. Right here. This is a short body Tahoe. '26s. I don't care if you see my plate. That shit ain't registered to me anyway. You got it from the back. It's pretty clean. It's a police package truck. So, alright. I don't know if this pick it up, but got a little smack hit there. And the bumper's a little bent. The back bumper. I had to take off the front two lights, the headlights and the side marker lights, because it was all fucked up, so gotta get brand new ones. See the bumper right there, it's a little fucked up too, so I'm gonna end up buying two bumpers and calling it a day. And the lights. I ain't hooking nothing up in this truck. Oh, that's the regular stock alternator. Taking that out, I'm putting the upgrade 240, and that's it. But this is the budget. Matter of fact, I'm gonna call this bitch a hoe, right? Because it's called the Tahoe. But I'm gonna call it, from now on, it's gonna be like a cheap hoe. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put that shit in the windshield when all this shit is done. That's the name of the truck, cheap hoe. Tell niggas how to do a big system with a budget, you know, with a limited budget. You know what I'm saying? So, keep tuned. Oh, commercial plug.